How much is the real estate transfer tax in Yonkers? We'll demystify this topic in the following video. I'm Nick at HouseIt. We can save you money when selling in Westchester. Learn how by visiting houseit.com. So let's get started. So if you're selling in Yonkers, you might be wondering how much you're going to have to pay in transfer taxes. Well, Yonkers, unfortunately, is one of only a handful of towns in Greater Westchester that charge a city transfer tax. So many people call it an exit tax as a result. If you're selling in Yonkers, you have to pay an additional city transfer tax of 1.5% of your sale price to the city of Yonkers. This is in addition to the usual New York State transfer tax, which is 0.4%. So if you are selling in Yonkers, your total city and state transfer tax bill will be 1.9% of your sale price. Now, a couple of caveats here. The first is that the Yonkers city transfer tax does not apply to co-ops because it is a real property transfer tax, and co-ops are not classified as real property. Therefore, if you are selling a co-op in Yonkers, you're off the hook. You do not have to pay the 1.5%, and you only have to pay the state transfer tax of 0.4%. The other nuance or caveat that we'll mention is that there is no Yonkers tax payable on sales of $25,000 or less. Just want to mention it, although I haven't heard of a property in Yonkers that has sold for $25,000 or less in the last few decades. We nevertheless wanted to mention it. So how does one calculate the transfer tax rate in Yonkers? Well, it's very simple. You just take the sale price, multiply it by 1.5%. That will give you the city transfer tax. Then take the sale price and multiply it by 0.4%. That'll give you the state transfer tax. And the alternative is you could just multiply your sale price by 1.9% to reflect both the city and state transfer tax obligations for a home sale in Yonkers, New York. So we hope you found this video to be helpful. Remember, we can help cover the cost of your transfer tax obligation through our reduced commission services that we offer at HouseIt, where you can save up to 6%. So please do check out our website, houseit.com, to learn more. And we're always open to questions or comments. Leave them below the video or send an email to team@houseit.com. And please do not forget to check out our Westchester transfer tax calculator, as well as our Westchester seller closing cost calculator, both of which are available on houseit.com. The links are below in the description. We'll see you on the next one.